Bienvenidos! Welcome everybody. Today we'll create sentences with the verb gustar in Spanish. Gustar means to like or to taste in English, but we'll focus on to like today. It is not a reflexive verb, but as you will see, it uses the indirect object pronouns as we saw in a previous video. Let's begin with an easy one. How would you say I like coffee in Spanish? I like is me gusta. Me gusta. Coffee is el café. El café. Me gusta el café. For most nouns, we have to use the articles in Spanish. And how do we say I don't like coffee? It's very simple. We're just going to add the word no to the affirmative sentence. I don't like is no me gusta. No me gusta. And how do you say coffee? El café. No me gusta el café. And how would you ask somebody, do you like coffee? Do you like is te gusta? Te gusta? And coffee, el café. ¿Te gusta el café? As you can see, we're using the indirect object pronouns and we will switch them based on the person. Let's take a look at another sentence. Juan likes soccer. How would you say this in Spanish? So here, because we're using the name of a person, we would say a Juan. A Juan le gusta, likes, le gusta. And soccer is el fútbol. So altogether, a Juan le gusta el fútbol. We could drop the name and just say le gusta el fútbol. Le gusta el fútbol. He likes soccer. And how would we say Juan doesn't like soccer? It's very similar. We'll use a Juan first, then we'll add the word no, le gusta el fútbol. A Juan no le gusta el fútbol. And to ask the question, does Juan like soccer? So here we can start with le gusta el fútbol a Juan. Le gusta el fútbol a Juan. Or we could technically say a Juan le gusta el fútbol, but it's more common to put a Juan on the end. And again, we can completely drop a Juan and just ask, ¿le gusta el fútbol? Does he like soccer? Let's look at another sentence. We like to travel. We like is nos gusta. Nos gusta. And to travel is viajar. Nos gusta viajar. Nos gusta viajar. How would we say we don't like to travel? We'll add no first. No nos gusta viajar. No nos gusta viajar. Very straightforward. How would you say, do we like to travel? It's very easy. It's very similar to the affirmative sentence. We just give it the question intonation. Nos gusta viajar. Nos gusta viajar. The next sentence is, they like to read books. How would you say they like? Because it's in plural, we'll use les. Les gusta. To read is leer. And books, libros. Les gusta leer libros. And how about they don't like to read books? Very simple, we'll add the word no first to the affirmative sentence. No les gusta leer libros. They don't like is no les gusta to read books, leer libros. No les gusta leer libros. And to ask the question, do they like to read books? It's going to be the same as the affirmative sentence. We'll just add the question intonation. Do they like is les gusta to read books, leer libros. Les gusta leer libros? How would you say you like to dance? You like is te gusta. Te gusta. To dance is bailar. Te gusta bailar. And how about you don't like to dance? No te gusta bailar. No te gusta bailar. It's very simple. We'll add no to the affirmative sentence. And to ask, do you like to dance? You try it. ¿Te gusta bailar? ¿Te gusta bailar? I know this is not an easy topic, but my goal is to come back to this verb and study the structure more slowly and with more examples. I hope this is helpful. To keep practicing Spanish, go watch this video next. Muchas gracias.